Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have another entry. This one comes from Mary Mickelson. Hi Mary. So we're going to go ahead and open this on up. Oh, that's beautiful. So it says happy birthday and it has a beach scene. I love that. That is so pretty. Let me read it real quick. Oh, hun, you are very talented. Okay. Dear Gigi, YouTube is Mary Mickelson, Instagram Mary Sue 2009. Hope you have a relaxing day. I hope you enjoy this card. I'm not as talented as all of you I follow, but am so inspired. Hope your birthday brings you many blessings. Your friend Mary Mickelson. Hun, you are very talented. This is a gorgeous card. I thank you for entering. I'm honored to have one of your cards. And guys, I hope y'all enter and you're inspired by Mary also. Okay, thank you for entering, Mary. I love it. Bye-bye.